A drone is a gadget that can fly in the sky. It is good for taking pictures and videos from above. People can use it to capture beautiful views and moments. It makes photography exciting and unique. People can see the world from new perspectives. Drones have propellers. They can lift off the ground and hover in the air. They can move in different directions. It is very maneuverable. People can also use a remote control to guide the drone. They can make it go high or low, left or right. It is very controllable. Drones can have cameras. People can take aerial photos and record videos. They can see landscapes and buildings from high up. It is very scenic. People can also use drones for fun. They can race drones and do tricks. It is very entertaining. Drones have rechargeable batteries. People should charge them to keep the drone flying. It is important to have power for flying. People should also fly the drone safely. It is important to avoid crashes and obstacles. Drones are fascinating gadgets for photographers and hobbyists. They make exploring the sky and capturing images adventurous.